Can you help me?
Can you help me?
This is my book.
This is my book.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself.
I love my family.
I love my family.
Can't you hear me?
Can't you hear me?
Enter your PIN.
Enter your PIN.
Can I use your laptop?
Can I use your laptop?
This is my phone.
This is my phone.
It doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
I'm glad to hear that.
I'm glad to hear that.
Sorry, I don't know.
Sorry, I don't know.
Please repair this.
Please repair this.
Let's begin.
Let's begin.
Can you repeat that?
Can you repeat that?
He is addicted to alcohol.
He is addicted to alcohol.
I agree with you.
I agree with you.
Please sit down.
Please sit down.
I am feeling good.
I am feeling good.
Do not laugh at the poor.
Do not laugh at the poor.
What is your name?
What is your name?
Are you single?
Are you single?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Do you like it?
Do you like it?
What are you doing now?
What are you doing now?
Do you like me?
Do you like me?
Open your bag.
Open your bag.
She is my mom.
She is my mom.
This is your bag.
This is your bag.
I'm very busy today.
I'm very busy today.
We work together.
We work together.
Take care of your health.
Take care of your health.
Don't repeat this mistake.
Don't repeat this mistake.
I totally agree with you.
I totally agree with you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
See you again.
See you again.
That's expensive.
That's expensive.
Sorry, I can't right now.
Sorry, I can't right now.
I am singing.
I am singing.
He reads a book.
He reads a book.
I am reading.
I am reading.
I am learning.
I am learning.
I am feeling bad.
I am feeling bad.
I'm playing outside.
I'm playing outside.
Please speak more slowly.
Please speak more slowly.
It's too noisy.
It's too noisy.
Can I open the window?
Can I open the window?